Hey there, I have a quick question for you, and it may even sound a little weird, but hear me out for just a second. Do you see those three dots right there below this video? Yep, right there on the right hand side. Well, if you stick with me throughout this entire video, I'm going to show you how those three dots can make you hundreds and even thousands of dollars with this weird trick, using some of these platforms that I'm going to show you. So if that's something you're interested in, give this video a like and let me know in the comments if you like learning new strategies like this. Okay, so let's go into our computer, and before I show you how those three dots can make you money, we first need to go over to these platforms that I'm about to show you. And I'm going to show you 5 in total, so that of course you can maximize your earning potential and have a competitive advantage. Let's get into it. We'll start by going to scribey.com and we'll visit 4 more platforms just like this one, so stay tuned. If you're not familiar with these websites, they will pay you to transcribe videos and audio files into text format, right? So you would listen to these files and type what you hear. Now this is usually done manually, which, as I'm sure you can imagine, will take a lot of time to complete. But of course, I'm going to show you how to do this automatically so that you can save time and make more money. So let's scroll all the way down to the bottom here and click on where it says transcribers here. You'll be taken over to this page here, and let's look at requirements, which you'll find here. And you're going to need a verified PayPal account because that's how they're going to be paying you for your transcription jobs. Then right here, as you can see, this explains the transcription process. So keep in mind here that proofreading will need to be done in order for your work to be approved for quality control. And I'm going to show you a free tool that you can use near the end of this video. You'll even get a bonus of $5 each month for every 3 hours you complete within that month, so that can certainly add up. If we scroll back up here, it says that you'll be paid anywhere from $5 to $25 per audio hour, and using the trick I'm going to show you, it will only take you a few minutes to complete. And of course, you can repeat this task as many times as you like, but the best part is that this isn't even the highest paying transcription website, so let's take a look at some of the other ones. The next transcription website is transcribeme.com, and you're going to want to click on jobs, and you'll see that you can start earning $15 to $22 per audio hour with top monthly earnings of $2,200. Now most people are spending hours per day transcribing, and you're going to find out how you can do this in just a few short minutes per day and earn the same amount of money, because in this video you're going to learn this trick that these people don't know about. So just come over here, click on get started, and then register for an account. Now the next site we'll go to is gotranscript.com, and scroll down all the way to the bottom, find where it says for transcriptionists, and click here on work, and you'll be taken to this page. As you can see, they pay you up to 60 cents per audio or video minute, with an average monthly earning of $150 and top monthly earnings of up to $1,215. If you come down here and read a little bit more, they pay you weekly via PayPal for all work completed, and then you would just click on this Apply Now button. This next website is going to pay you the most, so if you come over to peopleperhour.com, you can see that this website pays you per service that you complete. Just come over to Freelancer over here and sign up with some basic information, and don't worry, because you won't have to do these yourself. You would just type in transcription and search for that term, and now you can see everyone who needs transcription done and look at what they're willing to pay. This person is willing to pay us $204, and this one is $409 for transcribing a video or audio file for them, and you can have this done within maybe 5 minutes. So it's really fast and easy money for the work you'll be doing. So the number 5 transcription site you'll want to go to is upwork.com. Sign up as a freelancer, and then you can search your feed for jobs. If you search for transcription, there are tons of jobs posted, so you shouldn't have a difficult time finding work. Now here comes the weird trick that I promised to show you at the beginning of this video. Normally, when you transcribe a video, you would have to spend time listening to each one and then type out everything that you hear, so this trick is going to make it much easier for you. If you come back over to YouTube and upload the video, set it to private so that only you can see it, and YouTube will transcribe it automatically for you. Depending on how long the video is, it could take an hour for this, but you can just continue doing things while you wait. You don't have to do any of the transcribing yourself. Then once it's done uploading, you would just come over to the video, click on the 3 dots, and select Open Transcript. And look, now you've got all of the text done for you. There's a free bonus that I want to share with you now, because you'll need just one more step to make sure that your transcript passes quality testing through proofreading, which is what these sites require you to do. This free tool will do that for you automatically too. That's grammarly.com/proofreading. Then click on Start Proofreading, it's free, and then you'll download the extension to your browser. It's compatible with both Chrome and Edge if you're a Windows user, and you can copy the transcript from the video and paste here, and Grammarly will proofread it for you for free. So once again, you go over to YouTube, upload a video, click on these 3 dots, open transcript, copy the transcript and paste it into Grammarly to proofread, and it should only take you a few minutes. Using this trick with this free tool on all of these sites is going to pay you hundreds of dollars for transcribing these videos, and you can complete more work in less time, maximizing your earning potential. I'll leave the links in these resources in the description below this video if you want, and that way it's there and readily available for your convenience. I'll even leave a bonus transcription site there just because I appreciate you for taking the time to watch this video. Hey, do me a quick favor before you go. If you got value from this video, and if you're excited to try this nice automated income method, give this video a like and subscribe with notifications on so that you don't miss out on more videos like this when I upload. Get out there and start clicking your way to profits, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.